Hello, in front of me I've got POCO X5 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to add passes to Google Wallet. In the beginning, let's enter Wallet. Now tap Add to Wallet button and focus on Transit Pass, Loyalty and Gift Card. Firstly, let's select Transit Pass, and if you are able to find your transit way, select it. You'll be redirected to a website where you have to finish the inside form. Next, let's select Loyalty and select card you would like to add, for example, IKEA Poland. You can scan your card or enter member ID manually. Tap Done, Add to Wallet, and Loyalty card has been added. In the end, let's select Gift Card, which is pretty similar to Loyalty card because you have to select a shop, enter card number, PIN, balance, your notes, and tap Add to Wallet button. All of your cards will appear on the homepage of Google Wallet. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.